Hey there folks, Chuck here, and welcome to a special mini build of the Flying Valiant Builds project. This is a special one because, as you can tell, there were quite a lot of vehicles in this build. This is for Diecast SuperCon, which is happening right now in Las Vegas through March 5th. And my good friends and co-hosts of Diecast Breakdown, Mark McCotwheel and David Johns, are going to be there. And keep an eye out for them because they have 20 standard and 2 chase pieces that I made that are being given away to folks at the show. I have left it up to them to assign the vehicles to people at random, and they are all wrapped, so you don't know which one you're getting. It could be a regular, it could be one of the 2 chases, which I did put real riders on, and I did put some extra detail in. I'm really proud of how the 2 chase pieces, and honestly all of them, turned out. They are all numbered. There are 1 through 20 on the standard, and the 2 chases are labeled as 55A and B, so they are part of the official Flying Valiant Builds canon. The rest of them have their own independent numbers, but these ones got the actual Flying Valiant decal and the sequence number for the build, hence this video. Anyway, just wanted to give a shout out to my good friends Mark and David, who are out there helping promote the show. And we will be recording a special live episode of Diecast Breakdown from the Vegas show floor. So be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss that. That will be on Saturday instead of our regular Sunday broadcasts, because that's one of the last days of the show. And we want to make sure we got the guys before they had to pack their bags and get out of their hotel rooms. And I wish I could be there, but I am a new father of a 2-month-old, and I am much more needed here. And one of the things that we agreed on when we started this was family always comes first. So thank you so much. Miss you guys. Hope you're having fun if you're at the show. And again, thank you for liking, sharing, subscribing, hitting the bell, all that good stuff. And of course, big thanks to our patrons and members who keep this show and all the other projects on Diecast Media Network rolling. As always, I want to thank you for coming along with me for the ride. So until next time, stay fresh, cheese bags.